Every sheet of paper begins in a carefully managed forest. Only selected trees are harvested for paper production. Precision machines harvest timber efficiently. The timber is prepared for its industrial journey. Massive loads head toward the paper mill. The raw material moves toward transformation. The paper-making process is ready to begin. Automation takes over from here. Bark is removed to expose clean fibers. Nothing goes to waste in modern paper mills. The wood is reduced into small, consistent pieces. The chips are ready for conversion into pulp. The transformation from wood to fiber begins. Heat unlocks the natural fibers within the wood. The wood has become raw paper pulp. Screening improves pulp purity. Screening improves pulp purity. Washing removes remaining impurities.
The pulp gains the clean color of paper.
Refining improves the quality of the final sheet. The pulp is ready to become paper. The first continuous paper sheet appears. Moisture is rapidly removed from the paper. Pressure strengthens the paper structure. Heat removes the remaining moisture. The paper nears completion. The paper nears completion. Surface treatments improve print quality. Automation monitors every centimeter of paper. Technology ensures consistent quality. The endless sheet becomes giant paper rolls. Automation keeps production moving non-stop.
Sheets are produced with exact dimensions.
Paper is prepared for different applications. Final checks guarantee product quality.
The paper is protected for delivery.
Finished products await shipment worldwide. From forest to finished sheet, The journey of paper is complete.